Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you the best way to keep your shoes clean. Are you still struggling to keep your sneakers clean in 2019? Having to find a solution rag and other utensils that won't damage the material of the shoe? Watch as I struggle to prep the materials to clean a shoe. Finally, now it's time to scrub and scrub and scrub a little more. Watch as I continue to scrub the sneaker, attempting to remove the dirt from the sole. Nope, still there. Now there has got to be a faster and easier way to remove dirt from these sneakers. So instead of carrying all these things, just grab a sneaker wipe. These sneaker wipes are environmentally friendly and has biotechnology. They are meant to clean, care, and protect the sneaker. Let's get it out of this packaging so we can see exactly what it looks like. So the wipe itself is a pretty nice size. It's about the size as the rag from earlier in the video. The wipe itself is very saturated. See, I'm gonna put it on my fingernail so you guys can see how saturated the wipe is. Alright, so let's see. I believe this shoe here has more dirt on it currently. See if I can get the dirt to show up on the camera. There we go, you guys kind of see that right there. Look, the stain's already gone after just a few wipes. Easy. Now I do have a little bit up here. Let's see if we can get that off as well. Good as new. Now imagine you are out and like someone has stepped on your shoe or you stepped in something. Just bring one of these guys out, give it a few wipes, and good as new. Don't worry, I have them linked down below. A few different sites where you can pick them up at. I personally got mine at City Gear, which is my local sneaker store. But I did find them on Amazon and other places, and they're good for all types of shoes. These are my Concord 11s right here. Give them a slight little clean right there. Good as new. Alright guys, that wraps up this video. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and join the family if you enjoyed this content. Don't forget to check the description box for a link where you can pick up your own Sneaker Lab wipes. Now I did do a sneaker giveaway over on Instagram, and I do have that winner's name. It is Minnie.cute. Again, Minnie.cute. If this is you, please DM me over on Instagram your size again so that I can ship you your shoes. Until next time, thank you.